Hi, my name is Andrew Messecar, and I'm a PhD candidate at Western Michigan University. There, I work with Dr. Steve Durbin and Dr. Robert Macon. My dissertation research falls between the domains of materials informatics and process informatics. I use machine learning to try to find patterns of interest in materials research data. The Lifetime Sample Tracking Data Management System, or LIST, here at the Two-Dimensional Crystal Consortium, has data describing the synthesis and characterization of the better part of 1,000 different material systems. For some of these materials, there are hundreds of data points describing the synthesis and characterization of the material. The quantity and nature of this data is perfect for the types of studies that I'm conducting for my dissertation research. When I first learned about the LIST database and the 2DCC's Resident Visiting Scholar Fellowship Program, I was ecstatic to be able to collaborate with the makers of all this data and to see what additional information we might be able to get from it. I am fortunate to have been able to meet and work with so many great people as I've been a part of the 2DCC RSVP Fellowship Program. From Dr. Joan Redwing inviting me to be a part of the Redwing Research Group to grow tungsten diselenide films, to Dr. Wesley Reinhardt and Isaiah Moses, who have taught me about how to work with the LIST database through the API, I have a wealth of mentorship at my disposal. My RSVP host, Dr. Chen Chen in the Redwing Research Group, has spent a considerable amount of time teaching me the ins and outs of metal organic chemical vapor deposition. Additionally, Dr. Chen has spent a lot of time teaching me to analyze a lot of different types of data that come from this laboratory. Additionally, many members of the Redwing Research Group, as well as Sarah, Tim, and Wesley in the Materials Characterization Lab, have all helped me to learn Raman spectroscopy, photoluminescence, atomic force microscopy, and scanning electron microscopy. The training that I am receiving on how to work with the LIST database through its API is making me a much more capable data scientist and applied machine learning researcher. Being able to train on-site at the 2DCC has enhanced my experimental materials research background by equipping me with new synthesis and characterization skills. By understanding where the data comes from, I not only understand the data better, but it gives me essential domain knowledge that helps to make sure that I'm properly implementing it when I use it for machine learning. The work that I'm conducting here at the 2DCC aligns perfectly with the research that I'm doing at my home institution. The projects that have begun out of my time here in the RSVP Fellowship Program are directly contributing to the completion of my dissertation. Furthermore, the experience is helping to develop myself as an early career scientist, as well as giving me the opportunity to network with a broad variety of academic professionals. I am looking forward to completing the machine learning prediction model and continuing my collaboration remotely with the Redwing growth team. This will allow for verification of the predictions of my model and further optimization of the tungsten diselenide monolayer growth process. The 2DCC RSVP Fellowship Program is a fantastic opportunity for early career materials scientists of all backgrounds, both as a professional development program as well as a catalyst for research collaboration.